Good morning, team. See, this is second report that we write for the proposal that is allocated to you. This is reflective account report. So this consists of three different sections: 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. This is a reflective document where we discuss how the project management approach that is used in the process of completing the research helped us to complete the project with quality and within the expected constraints, and how different phases of the project helped us to complete the project in time. That will be discussed in 8.1 section. Next, 8.2 section is regarding professional development. As a part of completing the document or the research, what kind of professional development you have experienced or what kind of skills are developed or improved by you will be discussed in this section. Okay, so some of the important skills that we apply or that we improve as a part of completing the research project are given here. That include communication skills, presentation skills, project management skills, XYZ. You can discuss what kind of skills you have developed. Among them, you can choose some important skills and you can explain in past tense. Everything should be written in past tense. So you say that these skills were developed by you. Okay, and the last section is what is the communication approach that is chosen by you. Usually any project that we complete will follow. We usually present our document and we share our status reports and final document, and we give them a PowerPoint presentation, and finally giving our oratory skills using our we will be giving oral presentation to the people. These are the four ways we use to communicate about the project to the organization or like to the supervisor. Okay, so overall for reflective account document it is 600 words. Try to give 200 words, or for first section you can give 300 words, maybe for this section maybe 150, and communication approach maybe 200 around. So 600 words is in total. So better you plan 200 words for each section, that is enough. Okay, so this is all about a reflective account document. Okay, please finish accordingly, and when you discuss about your project, you try to discuss about the proposal project that is given to you. Okay, so if you want to add some introduction to your project here, so as a part of completing some XYZ project, so you are supposed to discuss your actual project that is allocated to you. Okay, so please take care of that. Thank you, team.